Hi, this is Warren Oberhalser with eXp. I'm at my latest listing in Castro Valley. This home has been tastefully remodeled and is loaded with numerous upgrades and features. Now come take a tour with me through this amazing home.
In the last 2 years, seller has added over $200,000 in upgrades. You can find a detailed description below.
Per the 2016 MLS notes, this home was completely remodeled. The gourmet kitchen includes refaced cabinets and drawers,
Quartz countertops and backsplash, oversized stainless steel sink with lighting, and new range hood.
And the new Samsung 4-door refrigerator is included in the sale. Beautiful upstairs views throughout, including a secluded balcony area off the master bedroom. Before we go outside, I want to discuss some of the neat features this house has, which is its electrical infrastructure.
It has 24 solar panels and 3 Tesla Powerwall batteries for a full home electrical backup.
This provides super savings on your electrical bill,
while allowing the lights to stay on even when the power is out.
And it has the EV fast charging unit for your electrical car. One more thing before we leave the garage, the stackable washing machine and dryer are included in the sale. The backyard patio has new pavers, retaining walls, and custom handrails.
With the wall-mounted flat-screen TV and the new artificial grass.
This is the ultimate setting for backyard living and entertaining in style. This home is a one-of-a-kind must-see and has too many features to list. So please reach out to me for any questions you may have, including when the next open house is. Thanks so much for watching this property tour.